In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI to Write 2025 step by step. We'll start right on the Otter website. Log into your account so you land on the main dashboard. If it's your first time, you'll see a clean home screen with quick options for capturing or uploading audio. Take a second to make sure you're on a stable connection, since large files and live recordings process faster that way. From the dashboard, go to the voice meeting notes area. This is the workspace where Otter stores your recordings and transcripts. Think of it as your library of conversations, lectures, interviews, or voice memos. Anything you want to turn into usable writing. Now choose how you want to get your words into Otter. You can record directly or import existing audio or video. If you're recording live, click record, allow microphone access if prompted, and speak clearly at a steady pace. Try to minimize background noise for the best accuracy and keep the microphone a comfortable distance from your mouth. If you already have a file, select Import a File. You'll see a prompt to browse your computer. Click Browse Files, locate your audio or video, and confirm the upload. Most common formats work well, and higher quality audio will always yield cleaner text. If your file is long, don't worry. Otter will handle it. It may just take a little extra time. When the upload finishes, a new item appears in your library. Click on the transcript entry to open it. You'll see Otter preparing the content with a progress indicator if it's still working. Next, let Otter do the transcription. You'll notice the words populate as processing completes, often with automatic punctuation and initial speaker separation. For short recordings, this can be nearly instant. Longer sessions may take a few minutes. You can keep the tab open or come back later. Otter saves your place. With the transcript ready, it's time to edit and refine your text. Read through and correct any misheard words, fix names and acronyms, and adjust capitalization. If speaker labels aren't perfect, assign or rename them so the conversation reads naturally. Use search to quickly find terms you want to verify and highlight key lines you'll use in your final write-up. Break long blocks into shorter paragraphs, trim filler words, and polish sentences so they flow. This is where you shape raw speech into clean writing, clear, concise, and ready for your article, blog post, or notes. That's it. By logging in, opening voice meeting notes, recording or importing, clicking into the transcript, letting Otter transcribe, and then thoughtfully editing, you turn spoken ideas into well-structured writing with confidence.